Today, we're stepping inside of a truly one-of-a-kind custom home that captures both elegance and the beauty of the Southwest. So this is the home we're going to feature today. Let's go inside, guys. You'll see what I'm talking about. This beautiful home here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. First of all, I want to show you the thickness of the door. It's not your regular door. Very thick door, very sturdy, very strong door. So this is the garage. This is the primary we're going to go right into. Before we go in there, this is the laundry room. You're going to notice that every one of these bedrooms has a nice little fireplace display. Hey guys, I just want to point out that this is a 2x6 construction with closed cell foam spray insulation. So the owner says that their electrical bill is just them and somebody else, and it's only $50 a month, just because of everything, all the upgraded stuff they did to really insulate this home. Now the furniture, they will be selling some of the furniture in case you're interested. Now everything else is quartz. This is quartz. This is an upgrade. It's not granite. A lot of space in here, guys. A lot of space. Now I want to show you these chandeliers, and because whoever's here putting on their makeup, they can turn on this fan. Let me see if I. Look at that. Oh yeah. So all the chandeliers that you see around like this have this feature. All right guys, let's go, because we got a lot to see in this beautiful home. That was the primary. So if that didn't wow you, I don't know what will. I've seen many homes, and the reality is this home has a lot to offer. Huge open concept. Look at this quartz, how thick that is. I want to point out that once again, this is quartz, but also the backsplash is a full slab of quartz, guys. Full slab of quartz for the backsplash. So that's just a huge rock right there. You have power there, so you can connect whatever you need to. You have more storage there. It's fantastic. The dining area is big. This seats 8 people. This home, guys, has close to 2,200 square feet. So it's a good size home. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2.5 bath. There's actually a bathroom outside. Yes, if you're entertaining, they have a bathroom outside. Wow. They're also willing to leave the TVs if anyone is interested, or any of the furniture. This is exclusive look on a really custom home out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Let's go look at the other 2 rooms so you can see the size of them. So you may be wondering, well, how far away am I from the doctors? Well, there's the hospital, new hospital 3 Crosses, 6 minutes from this location. You also have Caliches, which is very popular, well-known ice cream shop in Las Cruces. Now, the wonderful thing is it may be winter, but people will still go buy ice cream because we have beautiful weather in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And that's only 5 minutes from here. Now this house really completes itself by the bathroom. This is the shared bathroom, and let me tell you about it. I've never seen a bathroom like this before. This is what I'm talking about. You have a oversized shower. Once again, it has a really nice fireplace, fire touch right there. Turn it on, it's really beautiful. So this is the shared bathroom, y'all. This is what they will enjoy as well. A really nice luxury shower. This home has half of an acre. Let's go outside, because outside is also the bathroom. So I love that they built their little rock wall to keep their pets inside here, or just to entertain. And then this is the bathroom here. Already has a doggy door if you need it. So this restroom is for outside when you're hanging out, when somebody is grilling. They don't have to go inside. They can use this restroom, which is really cool. I've never seen that before. That's why I said this is one of a kind, truly custom home. About 2,200 square feet, built in 2023, y'all. So this is huge. You have all that all the way over there. Now all this will be cleaned, as you know, but your land goes all the way to the block, to the rock wall there. And then we come around. So all this is yours. Look at the beautiful home on this side. So if you are looking for a home with space, I would definitely put a large pool back here, or you want to make a shop, build a shop back here. I don't know, maybe another mother-in-law quarters, a little casita, whatever. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys would do with that space. Okay guys, this home is designed to impress. Some of the furniture, once again, is for sale. Now, this home is not just about a home, but it's a statement. You have a lot of land, right? The new homes only offer way less than that. This has so much space inside and outside. So if you want a private tour, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya. We would love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces. Now, once again, we are in the community of Elks community, which as far as food, there's a lot of options. A lot of options for food. Also, if you want to jump on I-25 that leads to I-10, very easy, very convenient. And then you also, if you want to go to Ruidoso on 70, then it's like 2 minutes away, both I-25 and 70. So the location is a very prime location. You get a lot of yard and you get a beautiful home, almost new, right? 2023 custom home with so many features that other houses do not have. That's why this is a one of a kind, beautiful custom home. Now let's go ahead and drive the community, okay?